Have you ever looked at your bank account after a long day and thought, if I keep this up, I'm going to be doing this forever? It is a scary realization. You are trading your time and energy just to keep the lights on. And time is the one thing you can never buy back. Warren Buffett said it best. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. If your income only happens when you are awake and sweating, you aren't on a path to freedom. You are on a hamster wheel. So how do you get off the wheel? You need a system that pays you. One of the best ways to generate cash flow without staring at a screen all day is sell-in options. It allows you to collect income from the market strategically. We teach this in our community. Come join the team in the Discord, click the link in the bio, or head to techhedgepivot.com. Now let's simplify the solution. Making money while you sleep isn't magic. It just means owning assets. Think of your job as the fuel and your investments as the engine. Most people take their fuel and burn it all on lifestyle. The problem? They never build the engine. They have to keep pushing the car themselves for 40 years. But if you take a portion of that fuel and pour it into the engine, into stocks or cash flow strategies, eventually the engine turns on. It starts moving the car for you. You don't need to overhaul your life tonight. You just need to decide that a part of your effort goes to future you. If this clicked for you, hit like and subscribe. Share this with a friend who is tired of the grind. And if you are ready to build your engine with us, join the Discord. The link is in the bio or at techhedgepivot.com. Stop pushing the car. Start building the engine. See you in the next one.